Hello guys, today I'm going to teach you how to make cannon shoot rapidly in bahts. First, you need your use. Wrench first. Just follow my lead. Wire engine to the layer 1. And then the layer 1 to the layer 2. And then the layer 2 to the layer 1. Now the layer 1 to cannon 1. This should make the cannon shoot rapidly. Now screwdriver to the layer 1. To 1 second, but it's already 1 second, so let's just start the round. Set the shot again. Now let's use country the layers. Speed up. Now wire engine to the layer 2.
Now delayer 2 to delayer 3 and delayer 3 to delayer 2. Delayer 2 to cannon easy. Screwdriver to delayer 2, make it 2 second. Now engine to delayer 3. Delayer 3 to delayer 4, delayer 4 to delayer 3, and delayer 3 to cannon. Now screwdriver to delayer 3, make it 3 second. It works, but it doesn't shoot beautifully. .idk how to fix though, but don't worry, it still works. Now let's make all of them work. Now you guys know how to make it, let's speed it up. Just repeat what I did to delayer 1 and 2 and 3. Screwdriver time, just make it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If you have 12 cannon, you can use 0.1, 0.2, 0.3 to 2. All of this should work, so let's start the round. It looks beautiful. I will show you guys my trap after this, since now you know how to make it shoot rapidly. Just rewatch if you don't understand. Even though it doesn't shoot one by one, it can still stun lock the monster if you have 9 or 12 cannons. I went AFK, but take a look at my trap I made like 10 days ago. It looks cool, right? This is what I did to make it work. Now let's take a look. See, it stun locks the monster, but sometimes the monster in hard mode can break blocks. This is why 12 cannon is better. That's all, guys. Just comment if you can't understand, I will reply.